What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all a tip that's gonna help you out in your rental car journey. And the tip is about your maintenance. You guys, you have to learn how to do things on your car. Because you keep taking it to the shop, it's gonna get very expensive. Unless you just got a plug on the shop, then this might not be for you. But if you don't have nobody, a mechanic that's in your corner that's helping you out along the way with cheap prices and great work, you guys, you might want to start doing it yourself. And like even right now, I'm right here. This is one of my rentals. It's my Nissan Altima. My light has blown. It ain't blown. I think it just, I don't know. I think just the light bulb gone. But I believe a renter hit it right here or hit it right here. I see all my paint gone. And then the light blew out. I tried to take it to the dealership. The dealership wanted to charge me almost $200 just to replace this light bulb. Not this whole thing, but just the light bulb. And I'm like, man, we can't keep doing this. So I actually did it myself. So I got the bulb out. I just wanted to shoot this video. See, I got that out. I actually got the wrong bulb, but who cares? Just a blinker. I don't care. You know, it's gonna be a light white blinker. But who cares? I could do the other side, but I might. The dealership will probably gonna do both sides. But what I want to tell you, you guys, start doing it yourself, because you're gonna save thousands of dollars by doing your own maintenance. Like you said, you know, your light's gonna go out. I actually bought some windshield wiper blades too for another vehicle. Don't take it to the dealership for a windshield wiper blade, you guys, because they're gonna charge you between $50 to $75 just to replace a windshield wiper blade. Where you can go to AutoZone, get you one for $13 to $25, and go look on YouTube and learn how to put it on yourself. You got a lot of videos out here that will show you how to do proper maintenance on your vehicles. So not saying not alone windshield wiper blades, lights. Learn how to plug your tires, learn how to do oil changes, learn how to do your brakes, your rotors, learn how to do flushes. Because these things are not hard. Just a lot of people just don't have the time to do it. And then, you know, I don't know. But if you do got the time and you want to save thousands of dollars, please start doing your own maintenance for your Turo cars. Now, if you got like 50 cars, then it might not matter to you, because you probably got somebody on staff that handles those situations. But if you're someone like me that has like 3 to 4 cars, taking it to the maintenance shop every other week for little stuff is not in my budget. So I have to learn. And if I don't know, I know how to do some of this stuff, but if I don't know how to do it, I'll definitely go to YouTube. And if it's something that I really can't do, then I might consider the dealership. But for the most part, nah, I'm doing everything myself, because it's going to save me thousands of dollars. Just like this light bulb. This light bulb cost me what? $8. Light bulb cost me $8. This took what, maybe 30 minutes out my day. Maybe $150 just by doing it myself. So you guys, learn how to do your maintenance, because like I said, it's going to save you thousands of dollars on your vehicle. And you know what I'm saying, you could use that money to do something else, man. Keep your profits. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.